A very good morning, students. I am your teacher Hani Tiwari. I am come back with the new topic of your previous chapter, that is my body, and this is the second one topic, sense organs, and we will discuss about the sense organ in this topic, and it is very interesting and related to your daily life. It is interesting because it is related to your daily life. Now we will discuss how it is related to your daily life. So what is sense? Sense organs are the parts of your body. Like I told you in the previous video, there are hands, legs, and your torso, your ear, nose, and your hair. Everything is related to your day-to-day life because it is the part of your body. So in this topic, we will discuss about the specific parts of your body. Those are called sense organs. Okay. So what are sense organs in reality? सेंस ऑर्गन्स आर द ऑर्गन्स. इट कंप्राइजेस ऑफ टू वर्ड्स से मिलकर बना है सेंस एंड ऑर्गन्स. ओके, सो व्हाट आर सेंस एग्जैक्टली? एन एबिलिटी. व्हाट इज सेंस? सेंस इज एन एबिलिटी टू रिएक्ट समथिंग. ओके, आपकी जो एक एबिलिटी होती है जिससे आप किसी चीज पर रिएक्ट करते हैं, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर स्टडिंग ऑन योर रूफ. आप अपनी छत पे बैठ के पढ़ रहे हैं. Suddenly you saw a kite flying in the sky, and you see the kite is flying. You see with your eyes and you react. Oh, mama, look at this. That is kite. Kite is of yellow color. It is flying high in the sky. So this is a reaction. आपने kite को देखकर जो किया वो reaction था. Okay. Now next example is if for example you are playing in the park. Suddenly you saw a monkey entered in the park. And you see the monkey and you exclaimed with the joy of fear. I don't know what you will do, but you exclaimed and cried, "Ma'am, Mama, look at this." Whenever you see the monkey in the school, you always say, "Ma'am, monkey, ma'am, monkey." So you replied. That is the form of reaction. This is called sense because your senses are working. That's why you are able to react. Okay, if your senses are not working properly, you will not be able to react. So this is called sense. Your ability to perform, to react something, that is called sense. And organs, I already told you in the last video, organs are the parts of the body which perform a specific function in the day-to-day life in your life. So it comprises of two words, sense and organs. So what are sense organs in reality? So let's discuss and see the sense organs. Sense organs are 5 in numbers. Okay, picture is already there and you already understand. So we are discussing about it. The first one as sense organ is your eyes. Eyes are 2 in the number. They are 2 in the number. You can see the face of your ma'am. I am blinking my eyes and these are 2 eyes. Okay, we have pair. So what are the function of eye? The function of eyes are see. If you see anything, how you are able to see? You are able to see because of your eyes. Because of your eyes, you are able to see each and anything which is present in the world. That is eye. Okay? Sense organs are the organs. With the help of them, you can enjoy your life daily. You memorize the thing. You learn the thing, you see, you hear, you taste. The most important thing, you taste. Whenever you see the ice cream, you exclaimed with the joy, "Mama, I want to eat ice cream." Why? Because it tastes very good to you. You feel very good whenever you eat ice cream. You feel very good, very joyous whenever you eat the ice cream. But how you feel the taste? So the organs which help you to enjoy the daily life, enjoy your world, enjoy the environment around you, everything, whatever you feel around you is with the help of only 5 things. Those are your sense organs and they are the part of your body. So we were discussing about the eyes. What is the function of eyes? The function of eyes is to see. आपकी आंखों का काम है देखना. ठीक है, आप eyes से जो कुछ भी देखते हैं, whatever you see and then you react. If you are not able to see, अगर आप देख ही नहीं पाएंगे तो आप react भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. So this is the most important sense organ which is available, which is exist in your body. It exists on the face. The next one is ear. They are also in the pair. Okay, eyes are in the pair and ears are also in the pair. The function of ears is hear. Hear means सुनना. आप क्या करते हैं अपने कानों से? आप सुनते हैं. HEAR, hear. HEAR, hear. So, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैम आपको कहीं पर लेके जाएं और मैम आपकी फेवरेट म्यूजिक प्ले कर दें, तो आप क्या करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं? यू स्टार्ट डांसिंग. सो हाउ यू डांस? You dance because you hear the music, your favorite music. Okay, so this is your homework. You have to play your favorite music and hear it with the joy and start dancing with it, because you should know the meaning. You should know the usefulness of your sense organ. That is your ear. Okay, so you hear with your ears. This is a picture of ear, and you can see the ear of your ma'am. These are available over here. So these are on the face. ये भी आपके फेस पर ही होते हैं. ठीक है. और the next one is tongue. tongue पर पहले डिस्कशन करेंगे before nose, because this is the prime thing. With the help you can taste each and everything. The bitter, मामा ये बहुत कड़वा है. Sweet, ये बहुत मीठा है. Ice cream, it's my favorite. Cold drink, it's my favorite. I love grapes. I love mango. Okay, I don't like this. I don't like that. How you know? You know this because of your tongue. So your tongue, मैम की tongue देखनी है आपको? Okay, so this is your tongue. This is my tongue. So this is the tongue, and with the help of tongue you can taste each and everything which is available to eat. खाने की जो भी चीजें हैं जिन्हें आप टेस्ट करते हैं, वो आप किसके थ्रू टेस्ट करते हैं? टंग के थ्रू. Okay, so the next one is nose. Nose is also a part of your face. आपके जितने भी सेंस ऑर्गन है, मोस्ट ऑफ द सेंस ऑर्गन्स आर द पार्ट ऑफ योर फेस. ओके, जितने सेंस ऑर्गन है आपके फेस पर हैं, एक्सेप्ट वन, दैट इज योर स्किन. वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट लेटर ऑन अबाउट इट. सो द टंग इज, नोज इज टू स्मेल. नोज इज अबाउट टू स्मेल द थिंग्स, डिफरेंट थिंग्स. ओके, अगर आपकी फेवरेट कोई भी डिश अगर आप किचन में बन रही होती है, आप तुरंत उसकी स्मेल लेते हैं और किचन में पहुंच जाते हैं. ऐसा ही होता है ना? हाउ? बिकॉज यू स्मेल. The spelling of smell is SMELL. C की spelling SEE. C means देखना. HEAR, hear, सुनना. SMELL, smell. Okay, smell means सूंघना. ठीक? So whatever you smell, that is with the help of your nose. Nose is the part of your face also. Your face only. Okay? The next one is skin. Skin is the part of whole of your body. It exists on the head to toe. Okay, it start from here to downward. Okay, so look on the board. This is the part of your skin. So how you feel the things with the help of skin? Whenever you touch anything which is hot, आप कभी भी कोई चीज टच करते हैं which is hot, so आपका हाथ पीछे हो जाता है. क्यों हो जाता है? बिकॉज स्किन आपको इंडिकेशंस देती है कि ये चीज गर्म है. डोंट टच इट. ठीक है? Whenever you touch the cubes of eyes, you feel very very cold. ज्यादा टाइम तक आप उसे टच नहीं कर पाते because your skin indicates you. ये आपको बताती है कि don't touch it for too much time because it is very cold and I am not able to bear it much more time. Okay, so the skin is the part of whole of your body. Rest sense organs are on the face. Functions I already told you. Skin is about to feel. Revise once again. Eyes about the see. Ears about the hear. Nose about the smell. Tongue about the taste. And skin about the feel. Okay. One twist is here. आप अगर इस पिक्चर को ध्यान से देखेंगे तो all are connected directly to which? In the last video I told you internal or external organs. उसमें मैंने एक internal organ आपको बताया था, that was brain. Brain was there. So what about brain? all the senses are working and indicating you all the things. Why? Because of brain. Because brain tells them that what their work is. अगर आपका ब्रेन प्रॉपर वर्क कर रहा है तभी आपके सेंसेस प्रॉपर वर्क करेंगे, अदरवाइज दे विल नॉट परफॉर्म प्रॉपरली बिकॉज दे आर डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड टू योर ब्रेन. सो सेंस ऑर्गन्स आर 5 in the numbers, but they connected to the brain. Okay, so that is how your senses perform and help you enjoy your daily life, to taste your favorite things, to smell the perfumes, to feel the foul smell, to feel the things which is harsh, which is soft. You can feel everything. Okay, your eyes that can see anything and indicate you what to do. You memorize the things with the eyes, with the brain. Your brain you can see with the eyes. For example, you have a book and you are reading the chapter. Okay, so your eyes are helping you to read and your brain helping you to memorizing, learning. ठीक है? So this is the so what is your homework? Your homework is write down the name of the topic, that is sense organ. This is the second topic of your second chapter, that is my body. And these are the 5 sense organs. These are their work. These are organs. These are their work. Okay. So you have to try to draw the picture of these sense organs. In the last last homework, you already did that. Okay. If you already did that, there is no need to do that. And if you try to do this more and more time, so you will be able to draw it properly. Okay. Learn their work. ये क्या करते हैं? Okay, learn their work, learn their names, everything you have to learn which is written on the board. Okay, I hope you understand. I will send you the picture of the board also. So this is your homework. Complete your homework on time and send me the image of your homework. Not all students are sending me homework. Not all students are sending me attendance. So this is not very good. You have to send me your attendance on the daily basis. You have to send the homework on the daily basis. I am preparing PDF file of that. So you have to complete your work daily. Okay, and send on my number. Thank you.